Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add Spotify playlist in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is the URL. Now you see open.spotify.com playlist. So we are going to integrate in Elementor WordPress. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write embedpress. So this is plugin embedpress we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to Elementor page and refresh the page, and then in search widget write here embedpress. So this is widget we are using. So drag and drop here. Now go to playlist URL. Now copy back to Elementor page. Now you see widget edit and then you see source name default embedded link. Now paste. And then you see EP ad setting, you see multiple option EP social share. Now you see enable. If you want you can enable social share. Now you see general. Now you see embedded link edit, go to style. So you can set height according to requirement 400. Now you see if you want you can set width. So you can do setting according to requirement. So in this way you can integrate Spotify playlist in Elementor WordPress using plugin. And then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see Spotify playlist integrated in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.